Welcome to my channel Byte Tech. How to install AppImageLaunch on LinuxMint 22.1. First step, open your favorite browser. I will use Chrome in this video. Copy the link to the AppImageLauncher website that will be below the video and paste it into the address bar. Click the black down arrow next to Assets to open the menu. Select your architecture and click once with the left mouse button on the selected file. After that, the file download will start immediately. Double left click to start installing AppImageLauncher. Left click on the green button Install Package. Enter the password for your account. Now the installation of the program has begun. Open the folder with the AppImage file and double-click on it. Click on button Integrate and run. The program from AppImage was successfully installed and launched. In this way you can install any AppImage program and integrate the shortcut into the menu for quick and easy launch. Now you can find the installed program by searching the menu. I will include all the commands used in the video and post them in the description under the video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive notifications about new videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video. If you like my videos and would like to support me, you can buy me a coffee here, https://ko-fi.com/bytetech.